All right, good morning. We are back on the record in the matter of Nara Kaduri versus Lowe's Store. This is case 24-02719-SC. And the parties rejoining us from the breakout room. Mr. Fino, could you please turn on your camera?
My camera is not functioning. I'm not able to.
Really? Can you see us?
I can, yes.
Then you see the look of pleasure on my face. I did verify that you are an attorney in New Jersey. So first, I pulled you out of the breakout room because attorneys are not allowed in small claims cases in Michigan. So you may not speak for the remainder of this. Thank you. I could just kick you out altogether. I'm not going to do that. You may not speak. That is not allowed under rules. There are no attorneys in small claims cases. Now, Mr. Kaduri, because you have burden of proof, what do you have to report from the breakout room?
Sorry, can you repeat that, Your Honor?
Sure. So because you're the plaintiff, you have burden of proof. You have to convince the court that something happened.
Sure.
What would you like to say, or did you reach any agreement in the breakout room?
Yes. So, Your Honor, okay, on February 27th, okay, I have signed a contract with Lowe's for my flooring, hardwood flooring installation.
Okay, but did you reach an agreement in the breakout room?
No.
Okay. All right. Mr. Garcia, did you reach an agreement or anything in the breakout room?
Not a reasonable agreement. No, Your Honor.
Well, you didn't agree.
No, we didn't. We did not.
Okay, Mr. Codagno, all right. This is a difficult position for the court because small claims cases were made in Michigan to allow people to get justice without having to sue a large corporation or without having to hire an attorney if the amount was not large, right? If it was under currently $7,000, that's what small claims are. However, small claims never envisioned, is not set up for the kind of complication where you bring in someone else who may be responsible. Okay, this in the legal world would be called interpleading or a third party at fault. Small claims really isn't that. It's a dispute, frankly, between two people, sometimes a business. And on its face, this is a perfect small claims case. We have a gentleman who had a truck parked in his driveway that he says did some damage. And we have a gentleman who owned the trucking company that was there. I'm going to adjourn this. We're going to send you new dates. And this case will continue as Mr. Kaduri versus a representative of Lowe's. So Lowe's can send in an actual Lowe's representative. Now, Mr. Kaduri, as you consider your case and how you want to proceed, you might choose, I can't give you legal advice, and at this point, I truly can't give you legal advice, but ethically or because this is an unusual case, I wouldn't, even if I were your cousin, or something like that. Mr. Kaduri, you may decide that the person you should be suing is someone other than Lowe's. If you reach that conclusion, then you would dismiss this suit and proceed against whomever that may be. Okay? Given the complications of this, Mr. Kaduri, you consult with an attorney. I am going to give all of you, I can't quite line up on the camera. This is MichiganLegalHelp.org. It's a website that helps people who are in the court, who are not represented by attorney. If you log in between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m., there are staffers who are not attorneys, but they can help you live chat, help you decide how to proceed, or give you some general guidelines. I will also give you all, well, I would also ask that each of you do a quick Google search, because Mr. Garcia, you may, or Mr. Quadagno, you may belong to some business organizations, maybe the Chamber of Commerce, someone like that, who can help you with legal concerns. I don't know, but sometimes the Small Business Association, the local Small Business Development Center may have attorneys who work with small businesses. They may be able to help you find an attorney to help you navigate this. Mr. Kaduri, there may be